The earthy fresh smell associated with rain, often described as the smell of rain, is scientifically known as petrichor. It's a combination of several factors, including ozone, bacterial compounds, also known as geosmin, plant oils, and the action of raindrops hitting the ground. Here's a more detailed breakdown. First, geosmin. This compound is produced by certain soil bacteria and is released when rain falls on dry soil, contributing to the earthy smell. Second, ozone. During thunderstorm, lightning can create ozone, a form of oxygen with a distinct, sometimes sweet or clean smell. Ozone can be carried over long distances and sometimes even be smelled before the rain starts. Third, plant oils. After a dry period, plants release oils into the soil. When it rains, these oils can be lifted into the air, adding to the overall scent. And finally, droplets hitting the ground. The impact of raindrops on dry surfaces can create tiny aerosols which carry the scent of petrichor into the air.